You will never throw away your broken broom again. Today, I will teach you a simple emergency trick that will help you reuse it one more time. And the best of all is that when this happens to you, you will save the money to have to buy another new broom. So let's start right away and see how this trick is done. The first thing you have to do is get a used plastic container of soda or water. What we will do is take the part of the head of the plastic bottle and we will cut it with the help of a knife. If you don't have an instrument like this, you can cut it with a kitchen knife. We are going to place this part on the broomstick. Now with a hammer, we hit a little until it fits well. Next, we will take 2 screws and secure this plastic head on the stick. We must place a screw on both ends to fix it well. Take advantage and let me know how far my tricks are going, so I can give you a greeting in our next video. Today's special greeting is dedicated to Luis Mancilla from Chile and Alejandra Murillo from the Dominican Republic. And that's how it should be. In this way, we will secure our stick. The next thing we will do is prepare the broom. We must cut the broken area so as to leave the area at the top very flat. Once you cut it, it should look like this. Now we will take the lid of the plastic container and place it as I show you. With the help of some screws, we will fix the lid in the handle of the broom in the same way. If you find this content interesting, help me take it to someone who might find it useful. Once you have placed all the screws, it should look something like this. The last step is very simple. You just have to screw the stick with the broom and turn it until it fits well. As you can see, we already have the broom repaired and is new. Now you will have a super resistant broom, and the best thing is that you will save money and you will not have to buy a new one. If you got here, leave me below the phrase, "I want my new broom," so I will know that you saw all the content.
Nido.